This is the T&T House Plans, 1145 square foot mountain cabin construction drawings. The footprint of this home is 30 feet wide by 24 feet deep. This is the style of home you would want to have in the hilly parts of the country, or on a small lot to maximize your square footage in a small area. Even though the exterior footprint is small, the house's open ceiling to the second floor in the living room gives you a larger feeling to the room. The open stairway gives an even more spacious effect in the living room. The house is well laid out for easy access to the entire home. This home has a good-sized living room, wrap-around kitchen with plenty of cabinets, dining room, utility room, bedroom and bathroom on the main floor, a master bedroom with a master bath and walk-through closet upstairs. The plans include floor plans with dimensions, notes, and electrical, basement plan with dimensions, kitchen cabinet details, all 4 exterior elevations with notes. This is sheet 1 of what you'll receive in your plan package. The dimensions are spaced out where the framing carpenter will have no problem seeing them. That's one of my pet peeves, where other drafters cluster the dimensions so close together. I make sure that doesn't happen with my drawings. You'll also notice that I didn't allow the electrical symbols to interfere with the plan's readability. It's still totally complete and integrated into the same plan as the dimensions. You'll also get your kitchen cabinet details with the same clarity as you find on the house plans. This is sheet 2 that contains the exterior elevations. These were laid out in the same methodology as sheet 1. It contains roof pitch markers, floor height dimensions, notes, and a typical type grade line showing how you should have access to the basement doors. Both sheets are to be printed on 24 by 36 inch paper at a 1/4 inch = 1 foot, 0 inch scale. Please be sure to tell your printer not to print them to fit, so the drawing remains to scale. Also, if you're CAD savvy, you can request the CAD file, which is an AutoCAD Release 14 format DWG. I'll give you the rights to edit it any way you wish. To see this, and many other home plans, please go to houseblueprint.net. You'll be glad you did. Link is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment.